How much does a digital marketing services cost?
Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to digital marketing. In today's video, we will dive into an important question that many businesses have. How much does digital marketing services cost? If you've ever wondered about the pricing and budgeting aspects of digital marketing, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Digital marketing has become an essential component of any successful business strategy. From building brand awareness to driving conversions, digital marketing services play a crucial role in achieving your business goals. However, the cost of these services can vary significantly based on various factors. Number 1. Factors influencing pricing. Before we discuss the specific costs, let's first understand the factors that influence the pricing of digital marketing services. Here are some key considerations. Business goals. The objectives you want to achieve through digital marketing can impact the overall cost. For example, if your goal is to increase website traffic, your strategy and budget will differ from someone aiming to generate leads. Target audience. The size and demographics of your target audience can affect the cost. Reaching a broad global audience may require more resources compared to a niche local market. Industry and competition. Different industries have varying levels of competition in the digital space. Highly competitive industries often require more aggressive marketing strategies, which can impact the cost. Scope of services. The specific digital marketing services you require will influence the cost. This can include search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, content creation, and more. Number 2. Pricing models. Now that we understand the factors involved, let's explore the common pricing models used by digital marketing agencies. Hourly rate. Some agencies charge an hourly rate for their services. This model works well for small projects or when you require occasional assistance. Monthly retainer. Many agencies offer monthly retainer packages, where you pay a fixed fee for a set number of services. This model provides stability and allows for ongoing collaboration. Performance-based pricing. In this model, agencies tie their fees to the performance of your campaigns. It can be based on metrics like leads generated, conversions, or return on investment, ROI. Project-based pricing. For specific projects with well-defined scopes, agencies may offer a one-time project fee. This pricing model is common for website development or branding projects. Number 3. Determining your budget. Now that you have an understanding of the factors and pricing models, it's time to determine the right budget for your digital marketing efforts. Here's a step-by-step process to help you. Set clear goals. Define your business objectives and establish measurable goals for your digital marketing campaigns. Research and compare. Research the industry average costs and compare the pricing of different agencies or freelancers. Align budget with goals. Your budget should align with the level of competitiveness in your industry and the goals you want to achieve. Track ROI. Continuously monitor the performance of your digital marketing campaigns and adjust your budget based on the return on investment you're achieving. Number 4. Additional considerations. In addition to the factors we've discussed, there are a few more things to keep in mind when it comes to the cost of digital marketing services. Expertise and experience. The level of expertise and experience of the digital marketing agency or professional can influence the pricing. Highly skilled professionals may charge higher rates but can deliver exceptional results. Customization and personalization. Tailored strategies and personalized campaigns often require additional resources, which can impact the cost. However, this approach can yield better results by targeting your specific audience more effectively. Scalability and growth. As your business grows, your digital marketing needs may evolve. Consider the scalability of the services you choose and how they align with your long-term growth plans. And that wraps up our discussion on the cost of digital marketing services. Remember, it's crucial to consider your business goals, target audience, industry, scope of services, and additional considerations when determining your digital marketing budget. By doing so, you can make informed decisions and invest wisely in your online marketing strategy.
Connect us via social media. Contact us. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on digital marketing. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy marketing!